Hey everybody, this is Fix It again, and we're back and we're doing a battery terminal. Now the symptoms were that the battery wasn't, the car wasn't being able to turn on. My sister would have to come out and mess with this. So at first she thought it was just a battery, so she had the battery replaced. But it turns out the terminal was pretty bad. It was eating up. It wasn't making any contact. It's fairly easy. So what we're gonna have to do is unloosen this ball. Already unloosened it. I sprayed some penetrating oil on it. Used a ratchet and socket, broke it loose. So what we're gonna do after we take this off, this comes out just like that. There's different kinds of terminals. There's that one there. These are all top terminals. Here's another one where you're gonna have to undo these bolts, loosen it, and then slide the cable out, and then slide the cable back in, tighten it down, and then slide it back on top. And there's side post terminals that screw in from the sides with the bolt on the side. So this one we're gonna do is we're gonna clean it up. It's a little bit grimy. So we are going to use a toothbrush and some Coca-Cola. So we're just gonna pour a little cola on there and use that to basically clean it up, and it's gonna do a pretty good job at it. We're gonna clean under the old cable. Coca-Cola is really good at cleaning it. As you can see the copper come out from under all that grime. So we're gonna clean it just to make so it can make a better contact once we put the new terminal on. So just like that. So a little bit of cola. So here's the new terminal we bought. So it should fit just like the old one. Put the washer back on there. Put the nut on there. Tighten her up. And there you have it. Pretty simple fix. If worst case scenario, if you have to replace your cable terminal, you just follow this cable all the way down, and it actually goes to your starter. Yeah, undo the bolts, remove the cable. This other little wire is going to go to your fuse box. You just follow that, disconnect it from there, and you just replace it. That's if they're spliced in together. But this one looks like there's two cables for it. So worst case scenario, you have to replace the whole battery cable. And like I said, the ground is fairly easy. You undo the ground, and it's actually going to be grounded to the engine. So you just follow that wire to where it gets grounded to the vehicle. The positive actually goes to the starter. And again, it's fairly easy. So this is it. So we're gonna tighten it up. If I can get in there. Oh, let's find the right size, huh? Oh, this one should be it. No. Bear with me. Let's do this right, tighten it up, and then we'll turn the vehicle on just to test it. Snug it up. on there pretty good. All right. Let's find the keys and turn it on. So I'm gonna turn the video off right now and I'll be right back soon when we get the keys going and we'll turn it on to test it. All right, we found the keys that were actually in the vehicle. Let's go ahead and turn it on. There you go. Easy as that. Alright, so that's pretty much it. So leave a comment, like, and like always, I love new subs.